Okay, a couple people have asked me to put this up. I have an old loader, 90s loader, and I installed air conditioning on it. 2000 watt generator, a house unit, and then I plumbed it into the cab, and it works. When it's 90 degrees, nothing works. You got all the hydraulics and the heat. But anything below that, and it actually works. It keeps the cab cool. So I'm actually gonna fire it up, and you can see how simple air conditioning in a loader is. Running. Take a look in the cab, although it's not much to see. I just took a dryer vent and a piece of styrofoam and duct taped it into the cab. Blows ice cold air. Air conditioning on a hot day. Cool. There you go.